Hey Bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me again, guys. Let me just give you another disclaimer. If you don't already know, I am recovering from a cold situation. So I'm sounding a little bit not like myself. And if my voice goes in and out, it's because I'm suffering from that. Check out my last video. You'll see exactly what that situation is. I'm going to keep talking about it. But anyway, I'm going to get right into this video, guys. I was in Walgreens and I saw that some new lippies had been released from Milani, and it is these guys right here. I picked up 3 of the shades. It is the Milani Amore Shine. Now, for some reason lately, I've been into lip glosses, and I'm not a lip gloss girl. You know, I'm more of a matte girl. So when I saw these, I was like, for some reason, I've just been more trying to find glosses. And when I saw these, I had to pick these up. I don't know how many shades were released, but they have a ton of colors. They have another red, which I think I'm gonna pick up, a darker red than this one. They have like 4 or 5 nudes in the shade, and then they have like an orange, I believe, like a coral color, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. And then they have like a deep purple, but they have quite a few shades, but these were the 3 that like caught my eye the most. So I wanted to give these guys a try, let you all see them first on me and my first impressions on these guys right here. So what I'm going to do is go in and real quick, I picked up this shade 05 Temptation. That is this one right here, which is more of a nude shade. And it has just that doe foot applicator, and I'll show you guys that. But that's just a nude shade. I picked up 08 Seduction, which is more like a purple shade. And then I picked up this red, which is 06 Passion. Y'all know I'm here for a good red, girl, and then a good red gloss. We're gonna see how that work out. Hopefully these are pigmented. I have not tried them as of yet, but hopefully they are pigmented. I'm just going to remove what I have on. I actually have on a Milani color right now, but this is the Amore Matte. You guys know they came out with the Amore Mattes a while back. This is what I'm wearing right now. But now these are the Amore Shine, the sheen ones. So I'm excited to see how these work. Trying not to wipe off my foundation with taking off this lippy. And I'm glad I didn't put on a dark lippy so it didn't really stain my lips. Okay, and I just used my Garnier cleansing water. I love this stuff, y'all. This is bomb. I love that. I remove my makeup with that all the time. Alright, so we got that off. Alright, so let's go in with the first shade. I think I'll start with the lighter shade, which will be the nudish color. And this is again 05 Temptation. Just to show you guys how this looks, just the doe foot applicator, the wand. Hopefully my camera is focusing in on it and my light isn't washing it out, so you guys can see how that looks. Oh, it doesn't have a smell, surprisingly. Now, if you are familiar with Milani lip products, you know that they usually have like that vanilla scent. This doesn't have a scent at all. I'll smell the other ones to see, but this doesn't have a scent at all. Let's see. I'll go in with this shade. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it's very pigmented. You know, glosses usually don't be so pigmented. Oh, which is why it's always so hard for me to find a good gloss and color, because it's not. You have to put so much on. Now, what I will say is oh, this is pigmented. Because of the size of the applicator, only a little bit comes out, and I don't know if it's because of this thing stopping it, that stopper in there, but only a little bit comes out. But it is very pigmented. Oh my god, this is a pretty color. I don't have anything like this. Okay, so here is the first shade, and again, sorry, I just keep the table, y'all. Again, this is a 05 Temptation. This is really pretty, and it's very creamy. And you know what I'm noticing is it very shiny in my mirror, and I don't know how it's showing up on camera. It's very shiny in my mirror. But you know how when you rub your lips together, glosses usually have that slippery feel. This doesn't feel like that. This feels like suede almost, like a cream. Like it feels really creamy and suede. It doesn't feel like a glide. So when you rub your lips together, it doesn't feel as glossy as it looks, which I kind of like. Oh, this is nice. So here is the shade 05 Temptation. All right, so we'll go in with the next shade, and I think I'll go in with the red, and that is in 06 Passion. I think I'll go in with this one. Let's see. Yeah, it does not have a scent. I'm really surprised by that because, like I said, Milani always has. Ooh, yes, it's pretty. Milani lip products always smell like vanilla, like a sweet smell. These have no scent. And I don't know if I told you, these retail for $8.99. I picked them up again from Walgreens. Oh, this is, oh yes, oh, this is pretty. I love a good red lip, but a red lip with a gloss, oh my god. This is again the shade 06 Passion. All right, y'all, and here is the last shade. This is 08 Seduction. And this is like a purple, a deep purple color. Let's see. Oh, this might be my favorite one. Again, no smell to it, no scent at all. Man, these are really pigmented. Milani, oh, y'all always come through for me. I mean, guys, these are so pigmented. Like, you see me put them on, I mean, the most I might have gone in is maybe 3 times. The most. I don't even know if I went into the product 3 times. But, again, I'm not putting these on perfect. But this is, oh, my God. I love this shade. And look how creamy it is. It's very, very shiny. Oh, I love it. Very pigmented. Milani, I mean, one thing I can say about Milani never fails me when it comes to their lip products. I absolutely live for their lip stuff. So I had to pick these up. Y'all, this is so pretty. Again, this is 08 Seduction, and I think this might be my favorite shade. I really like this shade. I think this might be my favorite one. Oh, this is pretty. I can't wait to wear this. This is gorgeous. Again, 08 Seduction. Well, guys, that was it for me. These are the shades. Those were the 3 shades that I picked up from Milani. Again, those were the Milani Amore Sheens or Shine lip glosses. They are, again, very pigmented. I absolutely love them. I think you guys should give them a try. Again, they have a number of shades. I do believe it's a limited edition. Hopefully they re-release them. That's a lot of times that's what Milani does. They'll start them out as limited edition, then they'll bring them back with extra colors. So hopefully they do that this time. But y'all, these are so beautiful. I really like this. Again, they retail for $8.99. I picked mine up from Walgreens. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Look down below. There's a red button that says subscribe, become part of the Bestie clan. Also turn that little notification on, that bell, so that you can see anytime I upload a video. Come on and socialize with me on social media. On Instagram, it is Trina Felicia. On Twitter, it is Trina Felicia. On Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauty. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video.